Pahinga kami. Dalaan mo na. Ito gawin ni Baba. Gandahon. Thank you so much.
Nagsug na kabalo no nato? Sudak na ito. Uga. May uga doon. Mag ano ka dito? Mag-drive ka.
Good morning! Hello! May nag-iimon. Laro lang ang mag-gano. Hi! Don't be shy. Wow, ako pala mo doon shy. Don't be shy. What you want?
Siksihon kami, oh. O, diba? Siksihon kita, oh. Maski may bata na kita, siksi pa.
Yes. Hi, thank you sa likes. Don't hesitate to send us gifts, super chat, something like that. Pin pencil, hottie baby. Hottie baby, bugda, bugda.
Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you sa likes, Junald. Kalagano na ang viewers ko, 55 na. 55 na. Thank you sa 55 million. Where are you from?
Nababasa mo yun?
Oo. Jadi ano, basa ko. You are become my life. Oh my God. Why you say that? Are you out of your mind? My goodness. Hey, baby. Oh my God. Really, I look like a baby. My girl, cha 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 da da. Oh my girl, da. Oh my girl. Hi, sweetie. Hello. Two. I'm ready. Ready for what? My goodness. Oh, thank you sa likes. Thank you sa... I don't understand. Hello, Gorgis. My name is Sweet Williams. I'm on Cape Cod, Massachusetts. What you want to talk about? I want to talk about anything. Sir William, hello, Sir William from Massachusetts, USA. Hi, Franzel. Good morning. Villa Jose. Hi, Villa Jose. Mardo. Hi, Mardo. Hello. Love from Bangladesh. Hi, Pen Pencil from Bangladesh. A new country, Bangladesh. Here on my channel. Thank you so much. Yeah, dito pa lang asukal, sorry. Sorry naman. Kahit yung kape ko, wala pa pala asukal yan. Yan, yan. Ano, may gatas? May gatas.
Na.
And then, what are you doing? Your country from Philippines. Coffee.
Ako sa tubig ka lang.
Ha?
Tubig ko matami.
Huwag na yan. May evaporate. Give me coffee. Coffee.
Wala na lang. Bumili si Ben Bol. Ben. Bumili si Ben.
Para may tubig kami na dara.
Bakit pagdala niya kumatid kay masalimipig. Okay.
Saan darating ang mga salita na nanggagaling sa aming dalawa? Aking sinta, ikaw na ang tahanan. You look beautiful. Thank you, Sir Quiz Remy. Balik na natiligan sa piling mo. Hindi magiging kagayo ni Tuleng. tingin mo.
Dada, bumilid ka na.
Hindi ba ba ganun na dadan ulit? Buhugan mo lang ada. Hindi mo lang pagkasan. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. How many members are staying? Staying for what? Harobert, Shaputra, Sardu, Zoe, oh my god, Zobi, Charan, what is the name? Oh my god, Alex, may gulay, Brax. Where are you from? I'm from the land of wonderful. Wonderful tonight. Hi, Sir Dwayne. Hi, Cheryl. Good morning. Good morning, Sir Dwayne. Country from Philippines. Nice armpit. Wow. Oh my God. Thank you so much. How is your coffee this morning? Coffee tastes good. So green. You're very... Oh my God. Charlie. Amen. Ganon. Model yan. Modern yan. Ganda ka, maganda. Ganon dapat confidence sa dewe. Sa sarili. Thank you so much for watching. Oh my God. Hello from Turkey. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Lots of pervert, huh? Lot of trolls. Sexy girl. I'm craving it. Oh my God. Alex, calm down. Oh my gulay. Are you okay? Browns. I'm okay, princess. I'm okay. Ano yun?
Jacket lang.
Kasi nga mapod na lang eh.
Hindi. Bingla agad na to. Si Bingla at saka si Bugaan.
San darating ang mga sa salita. Darating mga salita. Thank you, 15 million in the house, my gulay. Any plan? We're going to the mountain. We're going there to we kwan the vegetable because we have no food. Our food stores is empty. No food na. No food. My God. Salt. Oh my God, I'm waiting for you to block you, my gulay. Very beautiful. Oh my God, thank you. Faith. I'm not entertained. Disrespecting me. Sorry, Alex. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Please. Oh my God. Why a lot of trials? Got to go, Tico Princess. Thank you. K35. Thank you so much. Take care, God bless. Oo. We're going to the mountain. We need to get the vegetable because we have no food. Something like that. We have going there because if feel hungry. Look. Dried fish. Ano is the salay-salay? Salay-salay.
Salay ang.
Padara kita suko.
Oo, suko.
Ima.
Nagsayo si Ina.
Oh, parang
sabi niya, first time ko mama makikita nagsayo. Ito na June, napag-ulit ko dito. Si Papa ito dahil tinawa.
ayun na sing kahapon. Hindi mo man alam. Ay, Pasko na yun. Pag sakit naman na. Thank you, Tenten. Sukyo, thank you. Dipo, Gopala. Dipo. God. Halihan ko na yadi yun. Na power bank. Gigi. JJ. Oh my God, Christmas song. My God, too early for Christmas. Oh my God, thank you, Sir Dwayne. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. A lot of trolls, my God. Pag sapit ng dilim. I need somebody who can love me on my words. Sure, you're more than welcome. Thanks a lot po, Surgeon. God bless you. Ang ganda ng prinsesa. Ganda ang chuli. Hi, Sudan. Hi.
Sorry, tabi. Sorry po.
School ka malangay. Uy, bayo na. Kayo kayo.
Sa aming dalawa.
Ada ang palda ko. Mabula kayo rin na. Gayo na nga na na ito. Dahil nasibihin ang ito. Nagagay ko ang ating marina.
Manatili ka sa piling mo. Mundo'y magiging ikaw.
Sige na, gamamay ang PLC niya.
Biyernes niya na.
Umakan ni baga ko si Cristita.
Kay.
Mati-out.
Si Christita pala na-out ha. Si Christy.
Dire. Kaya lang anak, kuha hanggang tatay niyo.
Kaya nga ni.
Oo. Mana kapirma. Bawa nga nanghingin. Kay man ikaw. Sisila ba? O di kaya.
Super chat.
Kay maan pa ko ay.
No.
Ay, person tatay. Ang beneficiary.
No, you're not welcome on my channel.
Ang beneficiary pa
So, no need for super chat for like that. My God.
Ako, tingnan ko. Nakatulog ko.
Sino ang ulan? Sino beneficiary mo?
Ini na si Sheila.
I'm engaged. Dong.
Bunso, ang katulog.
Kay may ano, kung di din sa'yo, ang sa'yo. Wala man siya sa pagpilian.
Oh, wala man pala siya sa pagpilian.
Di ba?
Sino?
Wala man siya sa pagpilian.
Sino
Kung di
ang
si
ni
Bunso.
Papa na beneficiary?
Yeah, kami natulo, si May Sila. Ako, si Bunso.
Buares.
Kaya pag diri available ang sa'yo, ang sa'yo. Pag diri ang sa'yo.
Kay ano, pinalitan niya.
Ako nga na
Nagpresent lang.
200 certificate. Magani kay araw mo nang hiling na bata ko siya. Kasi talaga ito gusto niya. Pakampun talaga. Kaya kilala ako. Kilala siya kay Kaliit niya. Kilala siya kay sa RHU. Kilala siya doon.
Ayun, ayun.
Ay! Dore! Yada ka na ngayon.
Ngayon, naging kilala lalo siya. Ha?
Mana yami ada yun.
Si ano?
Parang nababati ka na. No? Parang naano ako sa boses niya.
Really? Si ano yun sa Glim ba yun? Si Glim?
Si Ophelia. Gagaling. Ha, shake it, shake it. Okay, I will shake it, but you need to kuhan. Super chat. Maglabar ka lang kuya kay Biyernes na na. Kiss mo sa'yo, mama. Bakit mo talaga ang baby ni mama ko doon? Laki talaga na ako. Baby ni mama. Kapag mo talaga ang anak ka.
Tulog pa. Kaya tulog ko.
Crispy yung pichay.
Sikaso na. Kay nano, bakit sa tanong niya?
Ayan. Klaro na ito.
Ah, nakakarto na lang kamo para mapakaon.
Maragtagasan.
Hi, beautiful. Hello, John Brandy, John Brady. We're going to the mountain, my good. We're going to the mountain. We need to climb. Cheryl, did you hear you were going to the mountain today? Yes, we're going to the mountain today. We get the vegetable from my brother's farm there because he's so busy. So maybe the vegetable is something like that. Ubod ng tamis. Oh my God, beautiful song. Old song from I believe. Sir Fred, hi Caleb, Sir Caleb. Good morning, Mrs. Roller. Good guapa JS, hi JS. Good morning, everyone. Hey, Rocker, Sir Fred. Thank you guys. Sir Dwayne, Sir Fred, Sir Caleb. Thank you for joining, everyone. My friend here in YouTube. Thank you so much. Good morning, Rocker from Sir Dwayne. We're going to the mountain. My God, we picked the tomato, bell pepper, something like that. My love, burn! Hi, my mic. Good morning, sir, my love. My God. Hey, Sir Fred, JS from Sir Caleb. Caleb, good morning from Sir Du. I'm already in the mountain. Her mic. Thank you so much. Hey, Fred, Ben. Roger. Hi, Mike. Good morning, Mr. Mike. From Sir Dwayne. Going to the mountain, my gulay. Rocker. Hi, Dwayne from Sir Caleb. Thank you, Sir Caleb. Rocker. Cheers, Rocker. Ma-prepare na ako. Ma-prepare na ako myself. Okay ka na? May bra ka? May bra ka? Dako daw man ang dudok mo diyo ha? Nagdako-dako man ang dudok mo diyo. Diyo ka?
May pump lang yan.
Ah. Oh, yes. Para parehas kita plat. Dudok ko. Ah, sakay. Ngayon man gihapon nagtumbok niya. 2 months, Cheryl, I'm coming back. Yes! I'm excited you to come back here. God! Francis Ann, hi. Ah, shit. Lahat sa atin, di ko kayang tanggapin. Sumpa ka ba sa akin? Come now, Mike. Come now, hihi. Amazing figure. Oh, thank you so much. Chart. Fred. Come now, please. Hurry. Harry Potter. We're coming to the mountain. May kulay. Pagkaba sa akin. Not. Huh? Not? Oh my God! I'm excited. 2 months. Not 2 months done. Before 4 months. 2 months done. And then another 2 months. Another 2 months. Time fast. Time fast. Sumpa ka ba? Thank you. Why huh? My cutie, the Kwan, my hood, my girl. What? Guess twin was busy before we all got here. 2 months will take 4 hours to get here. Yes. Yes. Nicolak. Calivia, a little bit. I saw that Caleb from Sir Fred. Hello, Sipar. Hey, Caleb. What up with you, Fred? From Sir Caleb, Rubisha. Rubisha. Is snap electrical destroyed? Oh my. Just getting settled down again, Caleb. Had lightning strike destroyed a lot of stuff, but pretty much all fixed again. Oh, that's good, boss. Finally getting back on doing live streams again. Feb, I'm going to the eye doctor to get correct measurements. Fred, there wasn't too much damage done. Well, it's full of fall on terrace season here. People coming to town. A little sleepy mountain town has doubled in population. Oh my god, be careful everyone. There is your Caleb. It only hit 100 today. Here tomorrow is supposed to hit 102, 204. Terrible hot here. Oh my god, super hot. Caleb, where do you live? I called terrorist. Oh my god. Bicol International Park and MT. Caleb, as long as they spend all their money while they're good for your town. I just came from the local hardware store. Traffic so bad. It took 10 minutes to go, huh? Half mile? Oh my god. Everyone coming in the 4th of July. My gulay. Be careful everyone. ikaw pa. Kapag mayroong Khalid Ticker, yes po. I hope everything works out of the eye doctor. Oh my god, you spend all your dollar here tourist lol. Oh my god. Mike, I hope everything works out of the eye doctor from Sir Dwayne. Buzaga, hi! Good morning, everyone. Gotta go now. The down grass sticker, everyone. Thank you, Sir Calio. Good things about my age. I got the celebrate the 200 and now the 250th 4th of July, huh? Caleb Ticker from Sir Dwayne. Yes, sir, that's awesome. Maybe I will make it to the 300. Oh my god, not. My god, he knows it going na. Danny. Hi, Pusaka, how's everything? From Mike. Sarado mo daw, kuya. Sarado mo daw. Sarado mo. Bubol. Ano tawag? Kumani ka. Natagin sa'yo. Bakit ikaw ang I'm going live at the mountain. Kaka, how is everything from mine?
Sundan sa marami.
Ah,
Marami sundan.
ah. Ay. Oh my God. Oh, shit. Sorry. What is that? Hello, keep dreaming, Mike. I'm surprised. Is it the 4th of July fireworks? My name is Sweet William, live in USA, Cape Seuli, Massachusetts. I'm in my music studio writing music, getting ready to play. What do you want to think about gorgeous? Really? Wow, Fred, I will still be here for the 300, but below ground, not on time. Same here, my gulay. Okay, need co-wife. See ya soon. Thank you, Sir Fred. Fred, always good to see you, my friend. Take care from Sir Dwayne. Okay, Fred, call your boss. Call your boss. Call your boss. What a sweet couple. What a sweet couple. With you. Na may sulira. Hi, Shannon. Okay, Fred, call your boss. Hi, Mike. I need to load my Wi-Fi because I'm going to the mountain, my gulay. Shannon. Hi, Chick Messenger. Chick Messenger. Yeah, that's my nickname. And the birded turtle. Oh, good evening, twin turtle with bread. Ah. Hi, Shannon. Miss you, Shannon. Thank you so much, Shannon. Turtle, why not dragon? Yeah, why not dragon? Birded dragon. That's for friends of all. Should be less hot there. Yes, Paul, it's hot here. That's so cute. What's the reason for going to the mountain? We pick the vegetable, tomatoes, fresh vegetables from my brother farm, vegetable farm, something like that. I need to load my packet Wi-Fi because you're so I'll be back, I understand. Thank you, Shannon. I'll be back. Thank you. I love you so much, my love Mike.